An epoxy floor is the standard solution for tough floors used in parking garages, industry, and floor refurbishment. Today, Sika leads the way to enhance this durable solution with significant advances using a new innovative flooring product, Sikafloor 2640. Sikafloor 2640 is completely uncompromising. The unique formulation of this product greatly increases the curing speed after application. It takes only 2 days to cure, while a standard epoxy flooring product takes 7 days. The walk-on time is reduced to 8 hours, while a standard epoxy flooring product is 26 hours. Especially when curing at low temperatures and high humidity, Sikafloor 2640 is resistant to blushing, a big improvement compared to a standard epoxy flooring product. Sikafloor 2640 also breaks the myth that epoxy flooring products smell during application and have high VOC emission rates during use. It has hardly any odor during application and meets the low emission rate classification in accordance with AGBB, A+, and LEED version 4. Sikafloor 2640 shows improved UV light stability compared to standard epoxy flooring products. There are 2 typical flooring systems using the innovative Sikafloor 2640 product as base coat and top coat, Sikafloor Multi-Dur EB19 and Sikafloor Multi-Dur ET20. Start using Sikafloor 2640. Less compromises in project time, blushing, yellowing, odor and VOC.